Hello students, in the previous video we have learnt about adjectives and its kinds, right? How many kinds of adjective we have learned? Yes, we have learned three kinds of adjective. They are, what is the first one? Yes, adjectives of quantity, then demonstrative adjectives and possessive adjectives. So these three kinds of adjectives we have learned in the previous video, and in this video we are going to do one book back exercise which is in page number 44 in your class 5 book, and I have written 3 questions. Let's do one question, and next there are 6 questions are in your book. I have written only 3 questions on the board. Once we completed these 3, then again we will do the next 3 questions. Okay, let's start. So what is the Roman they have given? What we need to do, that we will going to read. Okay, in each sentence below, underline adjectives and mention what type they are. So you have to find out what are the words are adjective. You have to find out what are the words are adjectives and what it tells. So which kind of adjective, whether it is talking about any size, or it talks about quantity or color or demonstrative adjective or possessive adjective. You have to find out and you have to write it on your book only, but here I am going to write it on the board. Okay, so you have to help me to find out what are adjectives and its type. Okay, what they are. First question, my friend has a young brown cat. My friend has a young brown cat. Here what are adjective? So here my friend and cat are the nouns. Okay, here this sentence describes about the cat, that cat is young and brown. So here these two are the adjectives. So that is what I am going to underline, that is young, brown. Young and brown are the adjective. Now we are going to write out which type of adjective it is. Okay, so let me write first one, that is young. Young means what, children? Young means what? It refers to what? Young, old. Yes, it refers to the age, right? If you are if you have a small brother, we say younger brother, right? If you are reached up to 22 or 25, you are the young. If you reached at the age of 60, you will be called as what? Old man or old woman. So here the word young refers to the age only. Am I right? So here we are going to write this. This is the adjective of age. Okay. So I am going to write. This is the adjective of age, because it's talk about the age only. Am I right? So let's go for the second word, that is brown. Brown. Can you tell me what type of adjective it is? Whether it talk about a taste or color or size or shape or quantity or quality, which type of adjective the word brown? Yes, brown is the color name. So this is the adjective of color. We are going to write the answer, that is adjective of color. Very simple. See, you have to find out the adjective first. We need to find out adjective words first, and then we need to find out which type it is, whether it is talks about the quality or quantity or taste, sound or color, size, shape of the noun. So first question we have written. Is it very easy? Yes. Let's go to let's do the second sentence. Okay, we will need 1 liter of condensed milk to make the flavored halwa. We will need 1 liter of condensed milk to make the flavored halwa. So here we need 1 liter of milk, 1 liter of condensed milk to make the halwa. So here they are talking about the halwa. Also they have described about the milk. So how much milk they bought? Yes, they bought 1 liter of which kind of milk? Condensed milk. So condensed also a describing word. 1 liter, here we can know how much of milk they have bought, and condensed means which kind of milk they want. Okay, then to make the flavored halwa. To flavored halwa, this word flavored means it talks about the taste. Am I right? It talks about the taste of halwa. So flavored also the adjective. Okay, so let me write the answer first. That is one. One means what, children? Which kind of adjective it is? Is it talking about quantity, right? So then adjective of quantity. This is adjective of quantity. And what about this condensed? Condensed means what? It is the quality of milk. Okay, which kind of milk they want, and it refers to the quality. So whether they want a white color, whether they want a lightweight milk or what, they want a condensed milk only. So this word condensed means it's talk about the quality of the milk. So that is what we are going to write. Condensed. It means it is the adjective of quality. Okay. Okay. Next word, flavored. Already I said flavored means what, children? Flavored. Flavored means it's also talk about the taste of the halwa only, right? Flavored, or else we can say that quality also. Okay, so I am going to write the answer. For flavored will be, it talks about the taste. So the answer will be adjective of taste. Adjective of taste is the correct answer. So for all these words we have to start with the adjective of, and adjective of, and then you have to write what type of adjective. Yes, adjective of quantity. Condensed means it will be adjective of quality. Flavor means it is the adjective of taste. Okay, let's go for third one. Third sentence. These tall buildings are beautiful. These tall buildings are beautiful and functional at the same time. These tall buildings are beautiful and functional at the same time. Here, can you see the word these? What is? Can you identify this these word? It refers to which adjectives? Yes, it refers to the demonstrative adjectives. Am I right? So this, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives. So this is also an adjective. What about tall? Tall means it's talk about the size of the noun only, right? It's talk about the size of this noun, that is building. So tall is also an adjective. And next, beautiful. It also describe about this building only. This building is very beautiful. So beautiful also refer to an adjective. Beautiful also is an adjective. Any other word? Yes, functional also describe about the noun. Buildings, and also at the same time. At the same time, here it talk about the time, that is the quantity of the building. So when it has been finished. Okay, whenever we are asking the question, so at the same time only they it is very beautiful, also functional at the same time. So let's write the answers one by one. So first I need to write these. So these means which kind of adjective it is? I said yes, it is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective. Next, tall. It talks about what, children? Size. So this will be size only. Then adjective of size. Adjective of size. Okay, what is the next word I have underlined? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful means it's talk about the beauty of the building only, right? Then it is which kind of adjective? Can you guess and tell me whether it is a quantity, or quality, or taste, or color, or size, or shape? Which kind of adjective it is? Yes, it's talk about the quality of the building. Like this building is very beauty and functional. These both words are act for the quality only. So for both will be, we are going to write adjective of quality. Functional. This is also adjective of quality. Clear, children? So what is this? Yes, this is the demonstrative adjective. Tall will be adjective of size and beautiful will be the adjective of quality, and functional, I have written function only, so that's the mistake. So functional is the adjective of quality. And what is one more? Yes, one more will be same. Same. So same it is also the adjective only. So it's talk about, it is also used to describe the noun, that is the building. So we are going to write the answer for same, that is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Okay, children. So we have completed up to 3. So we are going to write the next 3. Let's do the 4th one. Okay, students. Now I have written other 3 questions on the board. So now we are going to do the 4th questions. Okay, let me read out the 4th question for you. This block of iron is heavy but becomes light when heated. This block of iron is heavy but becomes light when heated. Here, can you find out any adjectives? Can you see the first word of the sentence? This means it refers to which kind of adjectives? Yes, this refers to demonstrative adjective. So this is a demonstrative adjective. So that we are going to underline. Next, any other words which describe the noun? Yes, heavy. Heavy, the word heavy and light are the describing words. This is used to describe the noun, that is iron. It is used to describe the word iron only. So heavy and light, it means the quality of the iron. So when the iron is heated, it becomes light. When the iron is not heated, it becomes heavy. This is what they are trying to say. Okay. Now we have known the adjective. We have find out the adjectives and we have known what type of adjective it is. So now I am going to write out the answer. So what is the first word I have written? Yes, this. So this means which kind of adjective, students? Yes, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. So what is the second? Yes, heavy and light. They both are the adjective of quality only. So in the same line I am going to use these words like heavy, light. They both are adjectives of quality. Okay. It's not quantity, it's about the quality. Okay. So I am writing here heavy, also light. These both are adjectives. Because we are writing plural, so I am writing adjectives of quality. It talks about the quality of the noun iron. Clear? Okay, let's do 5th question. Draw 2 straight lines, a circular dome and a small square box. Draw 2 straight lines, a circular dome and a small square box. Can you find out the adjectives from the sentences? Yes. So here the word 2, it's talk about the quantity, right? It's talk about the number of the noun. And straight, circular, square. These are what, children? Yes, these are the shape name, right? It's talk about the shape of the noun for the given noun. Straight means it is the shape of this line. Circular means it is the shape for the dome noun, and for square will be the shape name for the box. Okay, so these 3 are the shape. So these are the adjective of shape only. So next, small. Yes, it's talk about the size of the noun. So it is the adjective of size. Are you getting me? Yes. So 2 Two refers to the adjective of quantity because it's talk about how many lines? 2 lines. What about the straight, circular and square? These are the shape of the nouns. Okay, and small, it's talk about the size. So how do you find out, ma'am? Because in the previous video, if you have seen this adjective introduction alone, in that video I have written 8 words. I have drawn one circular and all other small circle for the adjectives. Why? Because adjectives talks about, it tells us about the quality, quantity, then size, shape, number, color, taste, look, sound of the noun. So all those words which is used to describe this taste of the noun or sound or shape, size, number, etc. So all those words are adjective only. So here we are getting 2, then straight, circular, square are the shape, then small will be the size. So we'll write one by one. Let me write first one, that is 2. 2 will be the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Next, straight. So already I said straight, circular and square. These 3 are the adjective of shape only. So directly I am going to write together. Okay, like straight, circular and shape. These are the adjective of what? Yes, shape. Remember that these are the adjective of. Should I write adjective or adjectives? Yes, there are 3 adjectives. So I am going to add as adjectives of shape. Okay, and last small. Small will be the adjective of size. Let's talk about the size of the noun. Adjective of size. Clear? Shall I go for 6 or should I do something in the 5th question? What do you see? Okay, I have written all the types name, but did I underline these words? No. So I need to underline that is 2, straight, then circular, small, square. These are the adjectives. After underline, I need to write these things. Okay. So in the previous we have done that, but for 5th one we didn't do, so that I am doing like this. Okay. Now we will go for the last one. I had 6 jalebis and some kheer after a great lunch. I had 6 jalebis and some kheer after a great lunch. Here, can you find out the adjectives? That is the describing words. Yes. Here, I had 6 jalebis. So how many jalebis? 6 jalebis. Then 6 is the number. It is the quantity of the jalebi. So it is an adjective. I had some kheer also. Some kheer means it's talk about the quantity. How much kheer you had? Yes, I had only some kheer. So some, it is also an adjective. Okay, after a great lunch. What kind of lunch it was? It was a great lunch. That means it's talk about the quality of the lunch. So this is also an adjective. So we got 3 adjectives from the 6th question. So let's write the answer one by one. So answer, what is the first one? 6. 6 and some, they both are talking about the quantity of the nouns only. So shall I write in one line itself like this? Okay. So 6 some are the adjectives of what? Yes, quantity. Adjectives of quantity. And great, it's talk about the quality of the lunch. It's talk about the quality of the lunch. So here I should not write yes, adjective. It is a singular one, right? Adjective of quality. Okay, so that's all, students. So we have all completed all the 6 questions which were which are in your book, page number 44. Refer with your book and find out before watching this video. You have to try by yourself. First you watch the adjective introduction, then you try to do by yourself. If not, then watch this video and do the exercise and check the answer by yourself. I hope you are clear with this exercise adjectives. So what is adjective? Yes, adjective is the describing word. Adjectives are the describing words which is used to describe what? Nouns. And what are adjectives? What are the kinds of adjective we have learned in the previous video? We have learned about three kinds of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective, adjective of quantity and possessive adjectives. These are the kinds of adjective. And what are the words are used to describe about the noun? What are the words? If you find out, then it is called adjective. Yes, if a word talks about the taste of the noun, or sound of the noun, or size of the noun, or shape of the noun, or color of the noun, or number of the noun. So these words are the helping words to identify the adjectives. Okay, I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll